Hey there, John with you with this beautiful 1965 Honda CB160 that I've restored. It's done up in the royal blue with cloud silver. Everything's been fully sandblasted bare metal. Any dents or cracks, cracks welded up. Any dents were massaged out, and then minimal body filler used, and then sprayed with a PPG single stage. Both the cloud silver and the royal blue. I think it's a really nice match for Honda's original royal blue. Engine fully rebuilt. Everything was vapor blasted, inspected, taken apart. Made sure it was everything was within tolerances. New rings and a light honing was all this engine needed to get it back on the road. The side covers of the engine are painted it's like a duplicolor aluminum, and then baked so that it's impervious to fuel or anything like that. So everything's correct on the bike. It's got the correct cables. It's got the little cable stay back here, which is often missing or broken. It's got a little battery tender, a little hook up here, so you can, if it's sitting for a while, you can make sure the battery stays topped off. It's got, the mufflers aren't perfect. The chrome's a little tired. There's a scrape you can see on this one, and there's like a battery acid drip on the other one. But they're actually the second set of mufflers I've had on here. They're probably some of the best I was able to find at this point. It's got the mud flap. It's got brand new tires, tubes, rim strips, new rims, new stainless steel spokes. The wheel hubs were completely taken apart, and then vapor blasted, then polished to a mirror-like shine, and new bearings were put in. You can see all the rubber. It's reproduction rubber, but it's very accurate. You can see the Honda logo here on the kickstart. Honda logo here. These are actually original passenger peg rubber. And here's like the driver peg. We've got the little decal here. That's correct. It's using Honda OEM fuel lines directly from Honda. New plug wires, carburetors completely rebuilt. You can see that beautiful cloud silver. A lot of the parts were re-chromed. The headlight bezel re-chromed. The trim rings here on the forks, the fork seal holders re-chromed. This trim piece on the seat, the mud flap brackets, the lower parts of the shocks, all re-chromed. The side panels on the tank were actually in pretty nice shape. They have not been re-chromed. You can see we've got the original plastic badges, not the later metal style that if you were to buy them today from Honda, that's what you'd get. We got the speedometer here. I'm actually in the shadows here. Let me try and move around. Seat's been recovered with a nice new matching blue cover with the red Honda logo on the back. The tail light, everything looks brand new chain. The side covers of the toolbox were re-chromed. She's beautiful bike, ready to ride and enjoy. You can see a little bit of that, some of that unfortunate acid stain on the muffler, but like I said, all in all, these are probably some of the best mufflers you're going to find these days for this bike. So there's a separate video that shows me riding it. There's a separate video that shows the electric, all the electric functions working. Oh yeah, and I mentioned the tires. They're the correct sizes and tread patterns. So we have a 250 by 18 ribbed pattern up front, and then on the back it's a 275 by 18 block tread pattern. That's exactly what the bike would have come with back in '65. Horn works. Horn tucked away down here, the steering damper, all of that stuff. Correct mirrors, all the controls work. You can see in the other video about the electronics. So let's go ahead and fire it up. She's cold right now, and we'll turn the gas on. We'll give her about 7/8 choke. Turn the key to the first position, hit the electric start. Give her a second here. Well, she needs a second. Hard to do this with one hand. There we go. I guess I need a full choke. beautiful bike ready to ride. I've got a clean Tennessee title and a bill of sale. Sold with the title and bill of sale. And it's a beautiful bike ready to ride and enjoy. Thanks for watching.